Here we have a Fordson Major diesel. It's an early one with the mesh grills and the early nose cone. It's also got the early wings on it. I bought this tractor to keep for myself, but it was seized, and managed to unseize it now and get it going, but it's not running very good, and it's not as good as the tractor as I thought it was. So I'm now going to break it down into parts. That's what I do anyway. I'm a tractor breaker. Parts there. So I thought I'd do this video of me stripping this tractor down, and you can see how I do it in this video. Hopefully it's interesting enough to watch. I don't know. I just thought I'd make it just because I can. So stay tuned, and by the end of this video maybe, or another video, it'll be up on the shelf there in bits. It is a shame, but everybody wants good parts, and the only way you can get good original parts is if you break something like this. So yeah, it's got nice mesh grills on it. The nose cone, it's had filler on the side here. Did come with a loader. I took that off, but when I went to the auction that I bought it, they put a block of wood here to hold the loader up so it wouldn't drag on the floor, and that's pushed the nose cone in on the top. I'm sure I can push that out though, so it's not too big of a deal. It's got original tyres on the back. Can we make there now? Firestone, I think. Oh yeah, Firestone. Yeah. It's got the early wings. Yeah, if you want any bits off this tractor, let me know. Yeah.
Fate brought me a new one, brought me a new love, led me to you. No way to maneuver, no way to move, I'm crashing to you. Fate brought me a new one, brought me a new love, led me to you. No way to maneuver, no way to move, I'm crashing to you.
Okay, now taking the cab off. Cab's there. Cab's not in too bad a shape, it's just the canvas cover's a bit worse for wear. It wasn't too bad when I picked it up. On the way home it kind of got hammered by the wind, and the front glass fell out on the way home too. The door, I've got the door for it. That's in pretty good shape. And here's a tractor again. Not too sure what I'm going to take off next. Probably, I usually start from the front and work my way back to the end, and so we'll probably do that, I think. Take the nose cone off, and front axle and the engine out, and then yeah. Okay, just thought I'd add this in. I've never seen this before on these tractors. This obviously has got a loader on it, and usually the lights are up here and get in the way of the loader. They look original. They've got paint on them anyway, yellow paint. Bring the lights in so that they clear the loader. didn't know that was a thing that came with the kits on them. Maybe it's not, I don't know. Just thought, put that in.
Brought me a new love, brought me a new love, led me to you. No way to maneuver, no way to move, I'm passionate you. They brought me a new love, brought me a new love, led me to you. No way to maneuver, no way to move, I'm passionate you. They brought me a new love, brought me a new love, led me to you. No way to maneuver, no way to move, I'm passionate you. They brought me a new love, brought me a new love, led me to you. No way to maneuver, no way to move, I'm passionate you.
Okay, after a lot of effort, I managed to get this off. Everything else came off easy. Simple enough, really. The wheels and everything, but these bolts just didn't want to open. To torch the end of one off, and then the other one I had to just cut the nut off and open it like that. Handy with the impact. It's saved a lot of effort. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to strip this down anymore or sell it complete like this, because I've just not long broken one up anyway. So I broke that axle up to get axle bits, so I'll probably just sell this one whole, and sell wheels separate. Next job is I'll probably take the pump off and some little bits off the engine, and remove the engine then and strip the engine down, or maybe I'll just put the engine to the side and then strip the rest of it and then just strip the engine at the end, because the engine's okay, but it doesn't run very well, so I won't get much for it whole. So I'll just strip it down to the block and then sell the block separate, and sell all the bits individually. It's had a crack here before and somebody's repaired it with something, some milliput or something. It did hold water, but yeah. So on to the next bit. Okay, I've taken the rocker cover off now, and the pump, and then inject the pipes. It's quite a bit of mess here now, so I'm just gonna tidy up and call it a day for now, I think, and start again on it tomorrow probably. It's Sunday today, so just thought I'd do a little bit on it today just to get started on it. So yeah, bye.